Hello everybody and welcome to Cisco Live 2025. I'm joined here today by Vijay Sivaraman, who's the CEO and founder of Canopus, who are partnering with L2X, delivering a go-to-market AI Net Observe Pro platform. How are you, Vijay?
I'm doing very well. Thank you very much. It's a real pleasure to be here with you, Anthony.
Thank you. So tell us about the inception of the company. What made you decide to go away and develop this amazing tool?
So I've been in networking 25 plus years, and when my kids were growing up and playing games at home, it was a bit of an embarrassment when they said, I have a lag spike, and Dad, you're the PhD in networking, can you fix it? I'm like, I don't know, I have no visibility into what's happening. But jokes apart, in about 2012, when the software was getting, when the network was getting softwareized, we were approached by Google, who said that they run YouTube services. They do a lot of optimizations on their side, but they don't know what happens to the packets once it gets into the network.
Right.
And they felt that operators need observability. So that's when we thought there's a real opportunity here to really lift the game in observability and help these operators understand what's actually happening on their network infrastructure.
Right, so the problem you're addressing primarily is to give greater visibility to the actual performance of what we call end user applications and routing and all that kind of information.
Absolutely.
So how do you differentiate from other products in the market?
Look, observability as a field has been around for decades, but firstly, the traditional methods were more focused on looking inside the contents of packets, which of course with increasing encryption becomes pretty much impossible. So we started ground up with the assumption that all traffic is going to be encrypted, not just the content of the packet, but even the headers.
Right.
So we developed machine learning models on how the various applications behave. And that remains our core intellectual property. So that's how we differentiate the most. But also more recently, we have been using our high quality data to build AI agents, which we are finding is really solving a huge pain point in the market.
Okay. So what do you see are the key benefits to a customer who actually deploys Canopus into the network? I mean, we're talking total cost of ownership, we're talking low cost of maintenance. I mean, what are we actually talking?
Yeah, absolutely. All of those are true. But fundamentally, and this is what the CTO of a large mobile operator told us, whenever there is a problem in the network, even if it's not the operator's fault, it's their problem because the customer always blames the network first. So really having this observability is letting our customers, namely the operators, not just know that yes, the user is having a pain with YouTube or WhatsApp or TikTok or what have you, but whether or not the problem is in the network. So it helps them prove their innocence if the problem is outside the network. For example, in the interconnect or in the CDN, they can instantly know that's where the issue is without spending their people, having spent time and effort to try to troubleshoot an issue which doesn't exist in their network.
So they get faster time to identification of the issue.
Absolutely.
And I guess with the AI agentic, it's actually making a recommendation in terms of how to address the issue, which I guess at the end of the day kind of speeds up that whole user experience with the end customer.
Absolutely.
So great work so far, but there's a long road ahead. What are we looking forward to in the next couple of years?
Indeed. So look, to date, we pride ourselves on the really high quality data and application observability we are able to extract from the network. But that being said, raw data by itself is not enough. What we're really excited about, and we see a very bright future ahead, is agentic AI. Being able to build agents that can execute workflows leveraging this high quality data to help operators troubleshoot aspects in their network very quickly without needing to rely on humans. Being able to build new value propositions and new products, even hyper-personalization for their users based on their usage patterns and on their experience. So we believe that's where the real future lies, and we're really excited to be partnering with L2X to take this product to market.
Yeah, and I'm really excited to be working with you as well, Vijay. Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
And welcome indeed. All the best. Thank you, Anthony.